Jai Hind. Discipline is the bridge between goal and achievements. Keeping this thought in mind, I, Cadet Captain Anya Swami, would like to take this opportunity to welcome Commanding Officer Captain P.S. Bish Sir, our Principal Sister Suprita, ANO Preeti Swami Ma'am, GCI Ruchi Ma'am, and all the new cadets of Carmel Convent School. We have experienced that NCC changes an entity completely from all perspectives. Discipline is embedded not only physically but mentally also. You can feel the essence of patriotism growing within you. Serving the nation is no longer extrinsic but a desire of each cadet. You feel your responsibility in transforming this world into a better place. Finally, before commencing, I would like to say, success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success, with which comes greatness. Now we shall begin with the lighting the lamp ceremony.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shatrubuddhi Vinashaya Deepajyotir Namostute Deepajyotir Namostute.
Now I would like to invite Cadet Nitika Rana, who will be sharing how NCC is living up to its motto.
Very warm welcome to all the cadets of Batch 2020. And today I'll be telling you about how to live up to the motto of NCC, that is unity and discipline. It's a magnificent transformation of an inactive person to an active person that is disciplined and punctual entity. After joining NCC, clearly displays the achievement of NCC's motto, unity and discipline. After joining NCC, each cadet feels the responsibility and their role, not only as citizens or cadets, but also as future leaders. Through small activities and actions, NCC instills in us the future of the world and the future of our better country. It also shows us how to cooperate with the other cadets and the high amount of success achieved when we work as a team in unity and by being disciplined. Thank you.
Indeed, we all will live up to NCC's motto, unity and discipline. Now I invite Cadet Leader Sakshi, who would be telling us about the aims and objectives of NCC.
Our school has started NCC for the age group of 30. So what are its main aims and objectives? Its one of the main objectives is to reach various youths through various colleges and schools. It also strives for making youth a better future of our country. NCC is a great platform which helps youth to showcase their potential. It also organizes various camps wherein they try to instill secularism. NCC helps developing our character, personality, and various other qualities such as brotherhood, discipline, and secular outlook towards our society. With this, I conclude my topic best for the upcoming batch. Thank you.
Uniform is an integral part of becoming an NCC cadet. So now we have Cadet Avneet, who will be telling us about the uniform of NCC.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you about our NCC uniform. A NCC uniform is a cadet's pride. I had goosebumps when I wore the uniform for the first time. It makes you wonder how worthy you actually are of wearing that uniform. In a way, it pushes you harder to serve the country. Being an NCC Naval Cadet, our uniform is white shirt and trousers. NCC Cadet accessories from head to toe includes green color beret with a red hackle with NCC badge, NCC side badges, that are the badges which are put on the upper part of your arm. The nameplate is put above the right pocket and the enrollment badge is put on the left pocket, white belt and DMC boots along with thick padded socks.
We now have Cadet Leader Namita Vij.
So first of all, congratulations to you all for being able to be a part of NCC. Jai Hind. Myself, Cadet Leader Namita Vij, and today I will brief you about the subjects in NCC. So basically, the subjects in NCC are divided into two: service subject and common subject. Service subject as the name suggests, includes everything that one should know about Indian Navy. For example, the history of the Indian Navy, knowledge about the ship, weapons, operations, out, and much more. Second comes the common subject, which includes topics like secularism, unity, and general knowledge topics related to society. So, apart from theoretical knowledge, we cadets are also given practical knowledge. For example, let us take a topic of helping people in distress. You cannot just learn it unless you implement it somewhere. So, I would just like to say that once you start interacting with ANO Ma'am Preeti Swami and GCI Ma'am Ruchi, you will be discovering a whole new lot of things that you might have not known. Classes are taken up twice in a week. Common subject by Ma'am Preeti Swami and service subject by Ma'am Ruchi through Zoom, and cadets receive a questionnaire prepared by PI staff of NCC Wing every Saturday, which is to be submitted the next week. So I hope you get success in the upcoming journey. Thank you and Jai Hind.
I now invite Cadet Alicia Walia to brief the new cadets about some of the activities done by us.
I, as a cadet, had a wonderful experience in NCC. Into that, we had many activities like plogging at Supna Lake, Chandigarh, where we cleaned the lake as to spread awareness among the citizens to make a clean and a green India. We also learned to operate and fire .22-inch rifle. There was also participation in slogan writing competition conducted by Infosys Chandigarh on the topic Save Water, Save Life. We also took part in essay writing and took a pledge to only use Indian products as a mission to Atmanirbhar Bharat. As a cadet, we were encouraged to lend our hands to move to a more eco-friendly environment, which included participation in tree plantation drives and raising awareness by painting and slogan writing competition. We also participated in declamation contest on the topic how to improve NCC training and poetry recitation competition to celebrate the occasion of Kargil Vijay Diwas. In the nutshell, I'm very grateful as for I gained a lot of knowledge and experience during all these activities. I thank Sister Suprita along with Ma'am Preeti Swami and Ma'am Ruchi, without whom doing all these activities would haven't been possible.
Now we have Cadet Raisa Goyal sharing how NCC changes us as a person.
Jai Hind everyone. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to all the new cadets for getting selected to the NCC 1 Chandigarh Naval Unit. I am Cadet Raisa Goyal and I will be telling you how NCC changed me as a person. So I was a really clumsy girl who never walked in a straight line, with shoulders moving here and there. When ma'am first saw me, she said, "Walk like a cadet, walk smartly." With ma'am's help and the drills, I started improving and I was finally walking smartly like a cadet. When NCC had just begun, all of us used to shout on the top of our voices to solve problems. Ma'am said that's not how cadets behave. Gradually, we started speaking politely, and problems just became easier. So easy that they weren't problems anymore. Next comes time management. Time management is really important in NCC. In our initial days, it was really difficult for us to manage both NCC and studies at the same time. If one thing was going up, the other was going down. We were told that both of them were really important, and so we started working and ended up excelling in both of them. And now, the most important, the essence of NCC, patriotism. NCC has taught me how to serve my country, and even in this pandemic time, we are doing the best we can from our houses. I would like to thank our principal, Sister Suprita, Sir P.S. Bhisht, Ma'am Preeti Swami, and Ma'am Ruchi for giving me this wonderful opportunity to serve my nation. And I hope all of you new cadets will do NCC wholeheartedly, and mark my words, it will shape you as a person.
I now invite Cadet Kashika Jain to share her experience as an NCC cadet.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Cadet Kashika Jain from the first batch of NCC in Carmel Convent. Being a cadet has absolutely been a very learning and enriching experience for me. The drills that Ruchi ma'am made us do in the heat has made me so strong physically. At that time, I remember we used to complain to her for standing in the scorching heat. But today, I completely understand the importance of those drills. I've learned so much from NCC. There is learning at every step of NCC. All the activities planned were also very wonderful. There were so many things that we got to do as a cadet, which we can never think of doing in our normal life. I got to know so much about the Indian Navy as well. I'm thankful to Sister Suprita for giving NCC in our school. I'm grateful to Ma'am P.T. Swami, Sir Bhisht, Ma'am Ruchi for giving me this opportunity. I'm very proud to be a cadet and I congratulate all the new cadets. Thank you.
Another integral part of NCC is the NCC song. So here we have Cadet Niharika Katyal to brief us about the NCC song.
The official song of the NCC, Kadam Mila Ke Chal, was adopted in 1963. A change was felt to catch the imagination of the youth and portray the true feelings of NCC. As a result, the song was replaced by Hum Sab Hindi Hain, which kept on playing in RDCs till the word Hindi was replaced by Bharatiya. The NCC song depicts the feelings of unity in diversity and exhorts everyone to march towards the single goal, all being Indians. The NCC song is liked by millions of cadets, both past and present, and is sung on all the important occasions of NCC. Thank you.
Bisht sir, now we have a small gift as a token of love and appreciation from the cadets of Carmel to bid adieu.
Sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is
I'm
for
there.
you, sir. Yes, sir. This is for you.
Come again, ma'am. Come again. Sorry, I didn't catch it.
This is for you, sir. This is for you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Let's focus upon the good in the goodbye. We all will miss you a lot, sir. In every goodbye, there is a secret message. That is, we will miss you until we meet again. Before you set off on your new journey, we would like to refresh some of our memories with you. Let's begin. This journey started off on 14th August 2019. We were introduced to you on the occasion of Ek Rakhi Jawano Ke Naam, wherein you motivated us and inspired us to become disciplined citizens. No sooner than that, we got NCC in our school. We were all so grateful and privileged for being able to become a part of the interactive, motivating session with you. Finally, the day that we all had been waiting for arrived. NCC was formally inaugurated in our school. Plogging. Shortly, we all got the wonderful opportunity to do plogging at Sukna Lake in your presence. Throughout this journey, we have made beautiful memories with you that we all will cherish forever. We all are really grateful to have met you. You have always been a role model for us all, and we all will miss you a lot. Now we have a special gift from our side.
I'm Cadet Alisha Walia from Carmel Convent School representing 1 Chandigarh Naval Unit. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude and thank Captain Best Sir for giving an opportunity to our school to be a part of NCC. Sir, when we first met you in the bio lab, you explained us what our NCC is about and what all opportunities you will be getting in NCC. Since then, it has been a wonderful experience doing all the NCC activities like shooting, visiting to Sukna Lake where we learned about the types of boats, their uses, and at last enjoying the yummy refreshments. Participating in various competitions and getting an opportunity to learn NCC subjects. So, we are really thankful for the support that you gave to our school. We wish you a happy and a safe journey. Thank you.
I, Cadet Avneet Kaur of Carmel Convent School, Chandigarh, thanks Captain Bhish Sir for taking the initiative to start NCC Naval Wing in our school. Thank you, sir, for giving us this opportunity to prove ourselves in this field. Under your leadership and guidance of Ma'am P.T. Swami, we have participated in various activities Let's fight against plastic pollution, mask distribution, and taking part in International Yoga Day, to name a few. You made us feel comfortable, and it has helped us to focus on our goals to be good citizens of our country. I would like to express my deepest appreciation for your excellent mentoring. Thank you, sir, for opening our eyes to new stages of opportunity and strength. We will always be grateful for your kindness and guidance. Wishing you and your family on your new innings.
Jai Hind, I'm Cadet Tarushi from Kamal Convent School, Chandigarh, Naval Unit 1. Today, I would like to thank Captain Vish sir, who has always been there as a guiding light throughout this journey. Sir, I still remember the time when we first met in the bio lab and welcoming you for the inauguration ceremony and singing the NCC song in front of you were some of the best moments we have spent together. Sir, thank you for always being our motivation and our inspiration. We will always miss you. Wishing you a very happy and safe journey.
As I walk down the memory lane, all the memories start recollecting. I stand here as a citizen and also as a proud cadet of NCC Wing of India. It all started almost a year back in September. As autumn leaves fell down, new opportunities gave rise to a new environment. I stood on the ground firmly, hands on my side. The selection for the NCC began. Later, the next day, we were introduced to Captain Bisht. It was a pleasure to meet you, sir, as it added a new twist to my life. Sir, your words inspired each and every cadet sitting there. Thank you, sir, for giving us such an inspiring and a marvelous lecture today. As the day has finally come to bid you farewell, I, Cadet Pavni Chandra from Kamal Convent School, Chandigarh, Naval Unit, wishes you a safe and happy landing.
Respected sir, first of all, I express my heartfelt gratitude for making me a part of NCC. NCC in Kamal Convent has been made possible only because of you, sir, and for that, I express my gratitude and appreciation. Every meeting has been very wonderful with you, sir. Be it when you came to our school to meet the 25 cadets, or at the inaugural ceremony, or when you took us to Sukhna Lake for the cleanliness drive. Each meeting has been very educative, sir. From being a respected officer to being a disciplined person, one can learn so many values from you, sir. I congratulate you, sir, and wish you the very best for your future. Jai Hind.
Good morning, sir. I am Cadet Anya Swami from 1 Chandigarh Naval Unit from Kamal Convent School, Chandigarh. And today I am here to talk about our journey together. So as compared to the other schools, our school got NCC pretty late. But we have made wonderful and beautiful memories with you that we will cherish forever. I personally first met you and had my first experience with you when we all had come to the unit for Ek Rakhi Jawano Ke Naam, where you motivated and inspired us and also assured us that we will soon be getting NCC in our school. And soon we got NCC in our school. And it didn't take much longer that we had our first talk with you as naval cadets of Kamal Convent School. We were really proud of ourselves and also very inspired by the talk you gave us on that day. And then soon we got the privilege of doing vlogging with you at Sukhna Lake, where you briefed us and told us the origin of vlogging, as we really had no idea about it then. And really, it was an honor for us all cadets to shake hands with you when NCC Naval Wing was finally inaugurated in our school. And I'm really glad that I could be the one to receive certificate from you during the inauguration day. And finally, sir, I really want you to know that you have motivated us all and you were the source of our energy and our participation. It was you who inspired us to become good cadets and to become disciplined. And finally, sir, I would end on this note that I am really privileged that I met you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, Sister Swami, Preeti Swami Ma'am, all the cadets for giving me so much of love and affection. I've been sort of wanting to do more for the school, but due to this present circumstances of Corona and COVID-19, have not been able to do much. Otherwise, all you children would have had a fun time in camp. We have missed the camp, and we have missed the outing in Sukna Lake. We have missed the outing in cross-country runs in Satluj River, on the banks of Satluj River. We have missed so many things that I wanted to do with remember your first year or second year in NCC. Hopefully, my next incumbent who's taking over from me, and the circumstances change, and we sort of, we overgo COVID-19, and I'm sure that we'll be able to hold a camp for you very soon. Sometime we have been looking sometime in month of November, December in NCC Academy at Roper. You will really enjoy the camp, girls. And for me, Carmel Convent, ma'am, can I take some time?
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Yes, sir. We have time. Yes, sir.
Basically, I just wanted to thank all kids. And only thing is that I want my message to all of you is the establishment of NCC in Carmel Convent is a whole soul perseverance and proactiveness of Preeti ma'am. If Preeti ma'am wouldn't have come to us, Carmel Convent was nowhere in the list of NCC. Neither it was in the wait list, nor either it was in any of the lists. And the stars in the heaven were so good that at that particular time, we got some vacancies and I could give NCC to Carmel Convent. Otherwise, if the vacancies wouldn't have been there, I would have to do some adjustments, and wouldn't have been able to take 50 odd cadets. Only I would have been able to take 20-25 odd cadets by adjusting vacancies from other schools. But I think Preeti ma'am's proactiveness, her perseverance, and your principal sister's stars were so good up in the heavens that the heavens opened up and we got the vacancies, and Preeti ma'am, Carmel Convent got the NCC first time. Thank you very much for your perseverance, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Please continue with the same josh. Please continue with the same josh, because I see the way your cadets are coming up, and how your cadets are responding much more than any other schools. There are about 7 to 8 schools under me. The response of Carmel Convent is one of the best.
Thank you so much
for that.
Thank you,
all cadets, for your response is absolutely good. The last message I want to give to cadets is NCC makes you see a perspective in life. That the life has got to be, it's not all hunky-dory. You got to work it out. You have ups and downs. And in NCC, we have not been able to have a camp, but in camp you would have met children from all walks of life, and then you would have developed a kind of empathy for the children who come from a poor strata, and the children from the poor strata looking up to you would have developed a sense of pride that yes, I also want to achieve, I want to be like girls of Carmel Convent. This is give and take, and this is what is the process of learning. And you all children learn at such an early age in 8th standard and 9th standard. It's phenomenal. This, I hope, will stand you in good stead throughout your life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now I request Sister Suprita to kindly say a few words.
Good evening, children.
Good evening,
sir.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sister.
First of all, I want to thank for motivating our students immensely. Listening to all our students of the first batch, that is the first batch of NCC cadets, I'm certain that they have learned a lot for life. So thank you, sir, and may God bless you and your family. And I also would like to
Thank you,
appreciate
ma'am.
Ma'am Preeti Swami for her zeal and also perseverance. You have done a lot for this. I know that passion you have, the passion you had to begin this NCC, and you have made it possible. And I'm sure I'm also grateful to Mr. Sir Bist for this, for making it possible for us to have this NCC in Carmel Convent School. And also I want to appreciate our students of first batch. Even though it was first batch, they have become the role models for the second batch. And I'm sure the ongoing students, whoever the batches, I'm sure the follow will learn from the batches which are going to continue. So thank you and God bless you, students who have done wonderful job even in this pandemic period. You have gone out of your way to help people. God bless you all. And the new batch, I'm sure you are very happy to be in this NCC cadets, to become the NCC cadets. And
Yes,
you're
sister.
fortunate and privileged that you are chosen. And it's all because of your desire and passion to be the NCC cadets. While I congratulate each of you on this day, I wish you all the best. May you imbibe all the values to be a true citizen, working for the good of the people, of the country, and never forget the Carmel values instilled in you. Be a true Carmelite and also a proud Indian, reaching out to every person in this country, beginning in your family, with the family members, then in the school, neighborhood, and then with all the people of the country. So thank you and God bless you all and all the best.
Thank you, sister. In the end, I would like to express my gratitude to Captain Bish sir and Sister Suprita for sparing your time. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All the very
Thank you,
best,
ma'am.
sir, for your new journey.
Thank
See
you,
you
ma'am.
soon, sir.
And I welcome all the new cadets, and hopefully we overcome this COVID thing, and I can give more fun to the new batch and the older batch in coming months. And hopefully my next incumbent will be able to do that. And all the children will have a good time, and they'll remember, they'll have memorable, memories of being in NCC. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
you,
you.
cadets.
Thank you,
Now
sir.
you can leave the meeting. Thank you, sister. Thank you, sister, for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you,
God
sister.
bless.
God bless. Cadets, you can leave now.